Our next inductee helped build the first pan-European ISP. He led the formation of the world's first regional internet registry. Congratulations and welcome to the stage, Daniel Karrenberg.
Okay, I'll keep it short. It's actually amazing to be here because in 1992, to be precise, in April 1992, I had a plan. And that plan was to set up the first regional internet registry and in April 1993 to be done with internet and move on to the next interesting thing. And that was a really firm plan. You can ask my wife. And then this thing took off, and you're riding the rocket ever since. Well, not maybe in the last few years, but it definitely captivated me and was very rewarding to do. And I really like the idea of an Internet Hall of Fame because it gives the opportunity to recognize some of the people that Randy mentioned and that other people also have mentioned that aren't in the limelight before the history books are written in stone. And I'd really pledge to try and, over the next couple of years, push a little bit to recognize the people who actually built the internet, at least in the area where I know about it. That's over here in Western Europe in general. And one thing I'd also like to do is thank the Internet Society staff. They're doing a real good job in all sorts of areas, especially developing the internet, but also making awards like this possible. So please, a round of applause for the Internet Society staff.